Well, team, here's how I'm going to tell you how you could have turned a $6,000 investment into approximately $18,000. You ready to watch this video? Sweet.
Hello, RLT family. This is Gregory. This is Jeremy. You get ready for this video. It's going to knock your socks off.
Hey, ALF team, I have no idea what this is doing. I don't know what it is. But this gap is ridiculous. Whoo! Alligator shoes. I have no idea what to do with this other than not short it. Oh my gosh. Like this is.
It's not this guy?
Out. No, I mean, maybe. So this is what Falco just threw my way. ALF. Who's the first person that can turn this into a meme? Go. First person gets an internet high five from yours truly. So you got to turn this chart into a meme. Here's the funny thing is I kind of feel like throwing some random money at it because of that gap. I mean, the volume is 193 million. Like that is bonanzas. Let's give it 1 to 2 days. I mean, it's $6. I might just buy like 1,000 shares and go, all right, go to zero, lose $6,000, like lose $6,000. Like that's a way to play it. It's probably what I'm going to do, if I'm being honest. Probably gonna go to my IRA and just buy 1,000 shares and go, all right, go to zero, and then start researching it and then see if I want to add any more later. Brody says, I'll do the same, but with 10 shares. Yeah, I get it. Cool. I will definitely keep an eye on this one. I mean, because this, other than everything else I know about trading, like that looks amazing. Brody says, I'm not a high roller like the bearded one. Bro, you just got to lose $250,000 first. That's all you got to do. You got to hit rock bottom. Go to zero and then go to -0 for a while. And just sit around and just contemplate life for hours at a time. Oh, man. Yeah, guys, I want to come back to this one tomorrow, and I think I'll look at it Monday of next week. Okay. Let's keep that one in the hopper.
And my friends, that is your Friday trade review. Got triggered in the very next day on the 16th. And inside candle, perfect high wave, breakout right there on the 18th with perfect volume. Could have added to the trade. I did not. I wish I did. Nice high wave candle there. Again, could add to the trade with above it. Perfect gap and go. Oh my goodness. Inside high wave candle, another candle, and then a good pop today. June has been so good. Have a great weekend, folks. Love you all.
Bam. That's it. Your Friday trade review. Thank you for being a loyal Real Life Trading subscriber to our YouTube channel. And if you're not, what are you doing? Smash that red subscribe button. Click that bell. You rock.